In today's video, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between Monday.com and Hive, two of the most popular project management tools on the market. But which one really stands out when you need efficiency, collaboration, and streamlined workflows? Stick around to find out, because by the end of this video, you'll know which platform offers the best features, and I'll even give you an alternative that could be the perfect fit for your needs. Let's start with Monday.com. One of its biggest selling points is its user-friendly interface. When you first log in, it's hard not to be impressed by how clean and intuitive it looks. The platform is designed for teams of all sizes, and whether you're tracking projects, tasks, or deadlines, Monday.com makes it easy to visualize everything at a glance with its colorful dashboards. But it's not all perfect. Many users have mentioned that while the platform is visually appealing, it can get a bit overwhelming with its many features and customization options. You might need some time to get used to its advanced functionality. Next thing, let's talk about Hive. Hive is another great option, with its robust features aimed at improving team collaboration. It's often praised for its flexibility, especially when it comes to task management and project tracking. One feature that stands out is Hive's ability to manage both traditional and agile workflows, which gives teams more control over how they approach their work. However, Hive's interface can feel a bit cluttered at times. While it offers flexibility, it may not be as beginner-friendly as Monday.com for new users, and it's a tool that might require more effort to set up to truly benefit from its features. The third thing to note is integrations. Both platforms support a wide range of integrations with popular tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Zoom, which is critical for keeping your entire workflow connected. Monday.com does a great job at offering a simple integration process, but the downside is that some advanced integrations are only available on higher tier plans. Hive, on the other hand, offers integrations that are available across all plans, which makes it a bit more accessible. But the trade-off here is that, with Hive, you might not get the same level of customization options for integrations that you get with Monday.com's higher-tier plans. Now, let's look at collaboration. Monday.com allows for easy collaboration with its features like shared workspaces, mentions, and comment threads, but it's not always the most intuitive when you're trying to get team members involved in real time. You may find the need to constantly communicate through separate channels, like Slack, to keep things on track. Hive shines when it comes to collaboration, thanks to its powerful messaging feature and the ability to comment directly on tasks. This makes team communication smoother without needing to jump between apps. The fifth thing to consider is task management. Monday.com uses a board-based system that allows you to create tasks, assign them, and track progress, which works well for teams that prefer visual project management. However, some users find the system a bit rigid when it comes to flexibility and task assignments. Hive offers a more customizable approach, letting you track tasks in a way that suits your team's workflow, whether it's in a list, calendar, or Kanban view. The extra flexibility can be a game changer if your team's processes aren't one-size-fits-all. When it comes to pricing, both Monday.com and Hive offer tiered pricing based on features and team size. Monday.com's pricing structure is a bit more transparent, but can get expensive for larger teams, especially if you want access to premium features. Hive offers a free version for smaller teams, which is a big draw for startups and small businesses, but to unlock advanced features, you'll need to upgrade. For many users, the pricing of both platforms might push them to explore alternatives, especially when you factor in the hidden cost of add-ons and extra features. After trying both Monday.com and Hive myself, I can confidently say that these tools are great for project management, but if you're looking for something with better flexibility, affordability, and ease of use, especially if you're a growing team or need more value for your money, I recommend checking out the platform in the first link in the description. This alternative combines the best of both worlds, and through our exclusive link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available elsewhere. In conclusion, both Monday.com and Hive have their strengths, but the best solution really depends on your specific needs. But if you're still unsure and want a tool that's simple, flexible, and comes with an unbeatable free trial, make sure to check out the link in the description below.